What's up, everybody? This is going to be a quick and easy one today. Recently had my truck in for service, and the dealer wanted to charge me $100 to do an air filter. I ordered one off Amazon for about $15, so I'm going to walk you through how to do it. So hopefully this will help you save some money if you're not too familiar with this process. All you're going to need is a basic screwdriver shown here, and obviously your new air filter. First, you got to pop your hood. Open the door. Underneath is a lever here. Sorry for my dirty floor mats, it's winter in Chicago. Come around to the front. You can see right under here there's a little latch. Push that over to the right, and then opens the hood. Once your hood's open, you're going to find your air box on the left hand side here. There's going to be 4 separate screws, one there, one up here, and one over here. They do have hex heads if you want to use a bolt or a wrench, but I'm going to do a screwdriver because I feel like that's a little bit more popular for somebody that might not be super mechanically inclined. So next you're going to loosen these screws. So tap. When you're doing the screws, lefty loosey, righty tighty, and there is a stopper built in so the screws can't fall completely out. Alright, so now that you got these 4 screws loose, you're going to lift up the air cleaner and push it back. Be mindful of this little crossbar here. You should be able to just move it on over. And then the old air filter can pop right out. So this one certainly is dirty. I did this maybe 20,000 miles ago. Here's the old versus the new. The new one is a Fram CA8755A. I will put a link in the description in case you guys are looking to get that one. Obviously you can see the old one was very dirty in comparison. Alright, let's put the new one back in. Obviously this is the top. We're going to slide it on in. Again, watch out for that brace. And then slide the air cleaner on over. And then line it back up. Now you're just going to put the screws back in reverse order. So obviously you're going to go righty tighty. It should bottom out so you'll know when you're done. Alright, that's all done. Close your hood and you're good to go. Just saved yourself some money. I appreciate you guys watching. If anybody's got any questions, make sure to ask. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. Thanks.